Okay, so these are the little water fountains that you get from Amazon. You can see they are solar powered. This one, I didn't put the top on. I just wanted to see how it would work without the little nozzle. You can see right there, that's what it looks like when you put the actual nozzle on there. It goes a little bit higher. This one pumps out more water volume, which creates more of a disturbance maybe. So these two right here, this one and that one, are the same brand. As you can see, this one here with the little flower on it, it is a different brand. When it's not getting a shadow, it pumps out the most water, in my experience. Right now it's being affected by the shadow. So let me try to move it a little bit. I don't want to get it wet because the water will also create a shadow. So let's see if we can get that thing working. You can see just how good that one works. There you go. So it needs, you can see it goes a little bit higher when it's working. I'll put a link below to both of these different products. I think that the one with the flower on it works better when it's in full sunlight. It is morning sun. See, look how high it's going. But then again, it's hard to tell. Just from my experience though, when it's fully working. Like I said, I got 3 of these in here. 2 of them are the same. This is Morning Sun. If you guys enjoy videos like this, do subscribe to this channel. This is Urban DIY. You can see I've got an urban farm back here, and then one of these Trek homes. It's coming together. Started out as a plain dirt lot about 5 months ago. It's winter time here in Phoenix, Arizona. You can subscribe to this channel. By the way, these are not real lilies. These are fake. It's hard to get the real lilies to grow in the winter. But you can see there's some water hyacinth lilies being affected by the cold weather. There are goldfish in there. They are just underneath the rock. So anyways, guys, yeah, this is Jeff with Urban DIY TV, and we'll see you guys next time.